Alright, Inner Compass Brewing Company update for construction number 13. Today we will show you all the nice beautiful landscaping that has been recently put in the past 2 days. We'll show you around the whole property, all the landscaping. Got trees, nice looking bushes or hedges that will grow nice and tall to give some privacy. These trees are living oaks. They'll get pretty big and create shade for everybody outside that will sit on the patio area out here. See the lights mixed in with the landscaping. As we walk on the property here. Of course, one of the main features of the outside landscaping is this big grass area out here that beer games will be able to be played on and people can enjoy while they're drinking a nice crafted beer down here in downtown Sanford, Florida. Until next time.